Echo Uniform Yankee, you're 59 Fond du Lac.
Alpha Uniform Yankee, you're 59 MIL, Mike India Lima.
Okay, Alpha Uniform Yankee, and what was your QTH?
MIL, Milwaukee.
Oh, you're in Milwaukee, all right.
Thanks, we'll clear. Echo Alpha United.
Echo Alpha United, okay, thanks for the new one, then good luck. QRZ?
Hey, Norway 9, Tokyo, Baker, Echo.
Okay, I got a W9J, Foxtrot Mike. That's for freaking motorcycles. W9JFM, you're 59 Fond du Lac.
Okay. I don't know if Jamie got you over there. He said he was over here, but you might already have Kiwani. But anyway, Kiwani County, 59 Kilo Echo Whiskey, hey, Dave.
Hey, I didn't. Here's my first Kiwani County, and you're 59 into Fond du Lac, Foxtrot Oscar, November.
Roger. I'm going to get on the race tunnel here. Okay, giver.
All right, thanks, brother. Have another one. QRZ from Norway, number 9, Whiskey Quebec contest.
Kilo Charlie 9er, Uniform Delta X-Ray.
Romeo Baker Echo?
Yeah, it's Norway 9 Tango Bravo Echo N9TBE in Kiwani County, and I'm not as popular anymore since Dan took that away from me. So Kiwani County N9TBE, back to you.
All right, Roger. We got the Kiwani. That's the backup run. Hi. This is N9WQ. You're 59 into Fond du Lac, Foxtrot Oscar, November. QRZ?
Very good.
At QRZ, this is November 9, Whiskey Quebec, number 9, Wisconsin QSO contest.
Kilo Charlie 9er, Uniform Delta X-Ray.
Tango Quebec Romeo, stand by a second. Who was the other Whiskey 9?
Whiskey 9er, Golf Delta Tango.
Okay, Whiskey 9 Golf Delta Tango, you're 59 Fond du Lac.
QSO 59 Fond du Lac, you are 59 Racine, Romeo Alpha Charlie, QSO.
Racine County, thanks for the new one. Who was the other station?
Kilo Charlie 9er, Uniform Delta X-Ray.
Charlie 9 Tango Quebec Radio, you blew them all out of the water. What's your QTH?
QTH is Florence County, Fox Lima Oscar, QSO.
Fox Lima Oscar, another new one. Thank you very much for Florence. The 59 to Fond du Lac, Foxtrot Oscar, November.
Roger. Thanks for Fond du Lac, and good luck in the contest, 7-3.
Thank you, 7-3's QRZ.
Kilo Charlie 9er, Uniform Delta X-Ray.
Okay, November 9, Papa, Quebec, Juliet, is that correct?
That's correct, 59 in Sauk, SAU.
Roger on the SAU, and another new county heard from. I hope all is well down there in Baraboo. This is N9WQ, you're 59 into Fond du Lac. QSO, good luck. Thank you. QRZ?
Kilo Charlie 9er, Uniform Delta X-Ray.
Okay, Kilo Charlie 9er, Uniform Delta X-Ray, is that correct?
Roger, I'm in Waukesha, WAU.
Waukesha, WAU, we got you, brother. Thanks and good luck to Fond du Lac, Foxtrot Oscar, November.
Roger, thank you, and 7-3 and good luck.
QRZ from November 9, Whiskey Quebec, number 9, Wisconsin QSO. Are the November 9?